Welcome to the Spend Wise Moms channel. Today we are making Rice Krispie treats. They're a classic cookie that are real crowd pleasers. I tweaked the original recipe because I like more marshmallows in mine. I do think they taste better. Prepare the following ahead. A square pan. Either grease it well with butter or line the pan with parchment paper. Put 5 cups of Rice Krispies in a medium or large size bowl. In a different bowl, put 5 cups of Mini Marshmallows. And then you also need 1/4 of a cup of butter. Preparation is important because you don't want to be measuring when you need the ingredients right away. So let's start. Melt your butter in a large saucepan on medium heat. Add the Mini Marshmallows and stir constantly until the marshmallows are melted. As soon as they're melted, take the pan off the burner and add your Rice Krispies. Mix well and then put them into your square pan. If you butter the back side of a spoon, you can flatten them down easier. Let them set and then cut them and enjoy. That's all there is to it. Hope you enjoy the blooper at the end of this video, and please subscribe for more videos just like this.
Oh. It sticks. Let's try that again. Didn't work, Mark.
Get more butter.